Today I will show you how to prepare this delicious meal packed with protein. The name is Asaja or red beans. I've only seen this food in Enugu State, precisely Ogu, and I've never seen it elsewhere. This food is very delicious, very nutritious, very proteinous. This food, you can eat it small in the morning and you carry it throughout the day. Very heavy. This food, it takes up to 7 days to get to this point where I am in this video. It takes a lot of time to prepare it. We prepare it for special people. We use it to do special occasions and the rest. If you visit Ogun, someone cooks this food for you, know that the person loves you so much. For her to bring out her 7 days to prepare only one meal, 7 days, all the resource and everything, the stress to prepare one meal, just know that the person loves you so much. You don't prepare it for ordinary people. Wow. So the process, when you get to this stage, after 7 or within 7 days, you get to this stage, just to boil it very well. Add salt when you are boiling it to taste. Add enough salt to know the quantity I added there. I've already added salt. That one is just to complement the one I've added before. So the ingredients are opaka, pepper, then utazi leaf. This utazi leaf, you use it to sprinkle on the food. When you are done preparing the food, use it to eat it. Then your salt and the almighty red beans, Asaja. So in Igbo, Asaja, the red oil. So just that. Then you put without lighting the gas first, you put your pot, you bring out your pot, you start wash your pot, add the opaka, add pepper. Add pepper. If you have mixture of pepper, it's best to use mixture of pepper, red, yellow, and green. Add salt to taste. Enough, that will be enough, not too much. Then you add red oil. Enough red oil, because this is black food, so that it will not be totally black. Then you add enough water. I mean enough water, not small, enough water. So you now light your gas, put the asaja, the mixture on fire. Then allow it to bring it to boil. You add the asaja, cover it, allow it to boil very well. Then you start mixing it. You turn it, you pound it with the turning stick. You pound it with this turning stick. You continue this process. You pound it. Try to mix it very well. So you continue pounding. This food is very delicious. You have not tasted this food, you are missing a lot. You don't know. Igbos have food though. No be for mouth, no be to talk. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, share, and follow me. So you continue in the path, taking light. You see the outcome of the food as such a very delicious, proteinous food. Wow, very delicious food. We use it to do occasions, wedding, burial, visitation. You use this to serve your visitors. You can even cook it and eat it. Very delicious food. Bye. Subscribe for more.